What is the main reason for huge decrease of organic page? Oh, well, there's a lot of variables that go in, to this question. Huge decrease can be caused by a lot of things. A lot of times, if you're seeing an abrupt decrease, then maybe there's been an algo shift recently that has affected your website in some negative fashion. So, if a spam update hits and you're using a bunch of low quality AI content with stock images, no EEAT, and then on top of that, you are spamming your website with a bunch of worthless, kind of spam links, or vendors that say get 2,000 plus links for $20 on certain websites, then these can all be reasons that you might tank. But yeah, a lot of times it's going to be, was there an algo shift? So one thing you can look up if something is, if you see a heavy shift in one of your websites as you're looking it up, then one thing you can use is the SEMrush is it no. Volatility index. What do they call this thing again? SEMrush sensor. And here you'll get an indication of what's going on in the SERPs. Is there high volatility? Is there low volatility? Was there an update? Is something going on? Are they trying things out? And over this last, I would say month or so, because there was a post in our group about it recently that Artemis put up, we're looking at some volatility happening at random about every other week. And now it seems to be tapering off a little bit, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, this gives great indication on what kind of stuff could be going on that could be affecting your site, and it's definitely worthwhile to keep this in your back pocket. So, what is the main reason? There's a lot of stuff. If you watch, like I just did a site audit, if you watch any of those site audits, I explained to you, if you've got Ahrefs or something similar, some things to check out would be your anchors, the referring domains you've got going, and then manually combing the backlinks. And if you do that, then you should be able to read like what's going wrong. And if you're not sure what you're looking at, then pull up a site in your niche that is ranking for a lot of stuff, pull that up in Ahrefs and see what they've got going on. It's going to show you a comparison value basically between their backlink profile and what they're doing and what you're currently doing. And the more you get used to manually looking at that, at first it might not make a lot of sense, but the more you get used to manually combing and looking at all this data, now I can go in and then basically on any site, so long as it's not huge, I can audit that website pretty effectively within 10 to 15 minutes unless there's something really weird going on. The same thing that I'm doing, you guys can do as well. So hope some of that stuff gives you a little bit of indication on where to start. Yeah, hope that helps. Again, if you like the show, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Helps a lot. Welcome back, everybody. We will be... Hey, everybody. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to give us a like, drop a comment, subscribe, so you don't miss out on any future SEO insights. And hey, if you're serious about your rankings, head over to SirLinksalot.co, check out our premium link building services, guides, and free SEO tools. See you next time.